Chicken nugget is on our way. Hi, chicken nuggets. Today we have a fidget cube. Let's open it up and play with it for a minute. Here it is. Get it out of the box. Put the box down there. And take the plastic off. Take it out of here. Put this over here. And it has this little spinny thing, or you can just push it down. A light switch, a little ball that moves around, a little spinner thing, a little spinny thing, little buttons, and this spins, and this spins. Really, really spinny. Let's put this over here. And we have some Play-Doh surprises. Let's open them up. Here's an egg. Put the Play-Doh over here. We have a My Little Pony. Look at this. We have the color one. I don't know its name. We have the color one. Let's put it over here. Let's see what's in here. Looks like we have some ponies. We do. We have this one with yellow hair and a blue tail and cinnamon breeze. And we have this little Play-Doh container. Open it up. We have Applejack and Diamond Rose. You look just like me. No, you look just like me. You look just like me. No, you look just like me. Okay, we look like you. Bye, Chicken Nuggets. Thank you for watching. Watch more videos by watching Chicken Nugget on YouTube. Bye.
Yay.